Hello and Assalamualaikum. My name is NUR SYAMIMI AMIRAH from Section 2. So for this subject, SBEQ3442, Cost Planning and Control, I will be presenting a case study regarding cost management issue on one of the mega project, which is the Scottish Parliament House that is located at the UK. Let's look at the background of the project. The Parliament building is located at Holyrood within the UNESCO World Heritage Site in Edinburgh, with a total floor area of 31,000 square meters. Now we will look on the context of the initial and actual of the cost and construction period. So initially, the cost was estimated to be around £40 million and construction period of 2 years. But the actual cost increased more than 10 times of the initial cost, which is around £414 million. The construction period also had a 3 years delay, that is 1999 to 2004, which is 5 years. Now, let's take a look at the causes of increasing cost and time. Firstly, the initial cost of £40 million does not take into consideration of the site location, consultancy fees, risk and contingencies, VATs and other works. In year 2000, the Parliament set a £195 million budget for the project. This was much more higher than the initial estimate, mainly because there's a 47% increase in the size of the building, which is largely at the client's request. Next, additional complexity of approved design compared to original design of building. Other than that, increase of fee to advisor and site organization, which cost £58 million, which is also 16% of the project cost. Extra costs also arise from prolongation, delay, and disruption. Prolongation costs are the extra costs of doing the same amount of work over a longer period of time. Now we'll take a look at project management issue. Firstly, there were problems in ensuring clear leadership and control on the part of the client's organization. The construction manager also consistently sought to achieve the required early target completion dates, although it was unachievable. This is mainly because of the client's desire for the best achievable completion dates, but there was no non-productive and out-of-sequence working that exacerbated the delay. Financial reporting of the project also has not always been comprehensive and systematic. As for this project, until July 2003, the reports that were provided are only quarterly or even less. Other than that, no other regular reporting. Only after July 2003, the corporate body started a routine monthly reporting to the Finance Committee. So these are a few action plans that can be taken to avoid this problem. Firstly, the project management should instruct the construction manager and the cost consultants to prepare as soon as practicable a risk analysis, which should identify all remaining risks to the project and their potential impact on the cost and deadline, and quantify the most likely outcomes as well as best and worst cases. The result should be the basis for an action plan to manage the remaining risks. Next, the project should have a single point of leadership and control where decision could be taken about how to balance time, cost, and quality as part of the client's decision-making process. And lastly, it is recommended that project management should review and report project costs regularly to the client on a comprehensive and systematic basis. That's it from me. Thank you.